Use MovieSlate Cloud to make snapshot backups of your logging data, notes, and script PDF files. If your iPad is ever lost, stolen, or damaged, then you can quickly restore your work from a backup to another iPad. You can also share backups with colleagues. More on that in a moment. Script Department subscriptions provide an unlimited number of backups, so for safety's sake, we recommend that you back up regularly, like each time you wrap for the day. To get started, sign up for a MovieSlate Cloud account. Go to Settings, MovieSlate Cloud, and tap the Register button. Account activation instructions are then emailed to you. After following the instructions, sign into MovieSlate Cloud from the MovieSlate app. You can create groups to share your backups with colleagues, who can then replace all their MovieSlate data with your MovieSlate data, which can be helpful when a colleague temporarily fills in for you. To create a sharing group, tap the Groups button to display a list of groups, and then tap the plus button to add a new group. Name the sharing group, enter an optional description, and the emails of colleagues who will be members of this group. The colleagues must all have their own MovieSlate Cloud accounts already activated. Then tap the Add button. To make a backup, tap the Backup button. Choose which groups, if any, you wish to share the backup with. Choose a name for the backup. Even though the backup name defaults to the current project, date, and time, rest assured that data for all your projects are included in the backup. In fact, you can enter any helpful description you like into the backup's name field. Then tap the Backup button. MovieSlate will gather and compress your logging database, script files, and any image or sound notes you've associated with your logged projects. Then the backup starts uploading to the MovieSlate Cloud server. Your data and files are encrypted and transmitted over an industry-standard transport layer security connection. This can take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and the size and quantity of your script PDF files. MovieSlate always backs up your logging database and script PDFs associated with logged projects. By enabling the Image and Sound Files option, backups can also include image and sound notes that were created during logging. By enabling the Non-Project PDFs option, backups can also include other PDF files you've imported into MovieSlate, such as revision pages, schedules, parking permits, and others. Backups can be restored to any iPad or iPhone by tapping the Restore button. Next, choose a shared group if you belong to any. Then MovieSlate displays a list of previous backups. To restore from a backup, tap on a backup from the list, and then the backup will begin downloading. Please remember that restoring from a backup overwrites and replaces all of your iPad's MovieSlate data. Any logged data or changes that have not been backed up before the restore will be overwritten by the backup and lost forever. So, if filling in for a colleague, we recommend that you back up all your own data for safekeeping before restoring from your colleague's data. MovieSlate's Script Department for the iPad and for Macs with Apple Silicon chips. Download from the App Store.